and action. Hey, 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 hello there. Welcome. Hey, welcome to Jickles Pickles. And I hate it when restaurants put soap and lotion out right next to each other. Just think that's a recipe for disaster. Last week we pickled tomatoes. So this week I thought it'd be fun to do something with them. And my mind immediately went to salsa. So this week on Jickles Pickles, we're gonna be pickling, This week on Jickles Pickles, we're gonna be making pickled salsa. So we're gonna grab our magic bullet, which is this bad boy right here. So we're gonna use to blend it all up together. So I'm gonna have my cameraman throw me some garlic. We're just gonna use one clove this day. Just one clove this day. Who knows on next day? Just got my knife right here. And unsheath that bad boy. This is a saber. No, what? Saboteur. I'm just gonna take the ends off. Up or anything. Oh. Into the jar, just like that. Then we're gonna take some onions. I like red onions because they're fresh and delicious. I'm gonna chop this bad boy in half, and we're only gonna be using a quarter of it. So you can save this half for later. Chop. All right. Here. These bad boys into the jar. Just right into there. It's probably the amount that you want. Let's go. Step number 3. I'm gonna plug in this magic bullet. We're gonna give this some pulses. Oh. Definitely should have cut up that garlic a little more. Oh, that smells fresh. Wow. That'll make you tear up. You throw me those green boys. Green boys. These are green onions. I'm gonna chop some of these bad boys. Just choop, choop, choop. What? They can't hear you. Measurement wise, 0. Never measure. Don't measure anything in life. There it is. Hey, jalapeno. Jalapeno business. Sorry. Chop this bad boy. I'm gonna get rid of some of the seeds because, and I'm just gonna give it a little chop because this magic bullet is not as sharp as it used to be. Whew. Spice is seeping into your eyeballs. This, as I'm like 80% sure this is serrano pepper. I think they're spicier. I don't know, people in the comment section last time were saying, Jake, you're so weak. So, I'm here to prove them wrong. And there. Woo! This is what we call cilantro. Some people think it tastes like soap. I used to think it tasted like soap, but I believe I had a joke. Oh yes, I had a whole segment planned for why cilantro is spelled with a C and not an S, and then I was just gonna come at the whole English language as a whole, which now it just doesn't seems forced. We're gonna set a little timer to go off at some point. Added level of intensity. You never know when that bad boy is gonna go off. All right, we're gonna throw in half teaspoon of salt. Think pinch of sugar. Pinch sugar. Oh, the spice drawer is a mess. Sticking. I know it is. City with the timer on. Oh, he did. He hit it. It was in the back. And add some cumin. Just a little bit again. All right, now it's time for the main ingredient. The pickled spicy tomatoes. We'll give them a little test just for, that's a huge one. Just a little test, see what they taste like these days. Oh. Uh-oh. Okay, that's pretty good. Maybe I should cut these up, I don't know. It smells like gasoline. In a good way. Oh, it smells like salsa. Don't even trip. Not really getting that classic red salsa flavor yet, so. Not flavor. Color? Yeah, red's a color. Red is a color, not a flavor. I don't know why, it's still ticking. Like, what was the point of it going off earlier? Oh, look at this. This is for salsa. Yeah. That's doesn't look that appetizing. I'm not gonna lie to you. Got some tortilla chips. Usually people would clean up the kitchen for a, you know, kind of like the shot like this, but not me. Not me. I mean, it's just aerated, I feel like. Oh. Oh. Try it. Get in here. Try that. It smells good.
Mmm. Just goodness. Just goodness.
The will it pickle? I would say it does done right. Maybe this is not the best recipe. Maybe too much onion. It's good. Let's get some other people in here too.
Yeah.
That's nice. There's so much. There's so much.
That's delicious.
Oh, it's good.
Oh, we double dipped.
Mm-hmm.
He double dipped.
Mm-hmm. What's up, bro?
That's delicious.
Hey, Ma.
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 Mama.
Hey, Ma.
Here she comes.
Ma, come give this a try.
Oh, that's good. Tab, you're gonna like that. Salsa.
You think Papa's up?
Oh, he's gonna say it's spicy.
It is very good.
Who's coming first? Oh, it's a trifecta.
Oh, from here, father-daughter duel.
There's really no spice.
I can smell it. Sweating already.
There's your chip.
Sandwich. Whoa, what are you doing?
What do you mean? What do you mean? What am I doing?
You're putting all of that on there?
Yeah, I think you guys go at the same time.
Okay.
I found some right there. I got some. Wait.
Crazy.
Whoa!
Alright, skull.
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 No, it's not bad. Not bad at all. Wow! Oh!
Here. You want some more?
Okay. Wow. What do you got in there?
That's spicy.
It's not, but
I would give it a 3.
I knew he was gonna think it was.
It's 10 squared.
I would maybe give it a 4.
I'm sure it's very good.
You tasted it. You had it.
Shot.
Thanks for joining us on Jickles Pickles. We'll see you next time.
Our pleasure.
Our pleasure.
Chocolate pie.
Oh. We have that for you.
Where's the chocolate pie?
Those chips are good. I think it's gonna be in the garage outside. Is it?
It is.
All right. We'll see you guys next time.